Hello and welcome to Traders Union. Today we'll be talking about the PrimeXBT Rewards and Loyalty Program. In this video, you'll learn what PrimeXBT offers to beginners, professional traders, and VIP clients through its bonus and loyalty system. PrimeXBT has developed a comprehensive system of bonuses and loyalty incentives designed to motivate traders to stay active, complete tasks, participate in contests, and receive real rewards. All bonuses are stored in a special USD-denominated rewards account, but can be converted to USD or USDT depending on the account type. The platform offers task-based and milestone bonuses that allow traders to receive cashback or bonus balance for trading, up to 20% of capital transferred to a trading account, rewards for completing tasks, for example, trading volume from $20 to $1,000, with bonuses up to $1,120, deposit goals, inviting friends, and social media activity. Let's talk about cashback. And don't forget, the VIP program is also in full effect. Starting February 18th, 2025, PrimeXBT gives traders up to 20% of paid trading fees back, or 5% on MT5 Pro. The cashback is credited in USD or USDT directly to the wallet, but it can't exceed the bonus account balance. So if your trading fees hit $1,000, you could get back up to $200 as long as there are enough bonus funds. Now for high-volume traders, there's even more value. PrimeXBT runs a two-tier VIP loyalty program, VIP 1. Trading fees drop to 0.03% if you reach $5 million in crypto turnover or $25 million in Forex CFD over 30 days. VIP 2, fees drop further to 0.015% for $25 million crypto or $90 million Forex CFD in turnover. The higher your trading volume, the lower your costs, making this a powerful combo for professionals and active users. Now let's move on to some of the more interactive and educational features PrimeXBT has to offer. PrimeXBT regularly hosts weekly and special trading contests with real prizes in USDT, bonuses, and promo codes. These contests are available through demo accounts, but the conditions closely resemble live trading. Winners can receive up to $500 in bonuses, which are fully available for real trading. In addition, the platform runs seasonal campaigns that offer promo codes. These can reduce trading fees, unlock bonuses, and even give temporary VIP access. As for education, PrimeXBT goes the extra mile to help traders improve. You'll find an economic calendar, expert analytics, a glossary, in-depth articles, live webinars, offline seminars, and masterclasses led by trading professionals. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, these tools can help boost your skills and confidence. The PrimeXBT Rewards and Loyalty Program is a multi-tiered system of bonuses, cashback, VIP statuses, and contests that makes trading more profitable and engaging. Beginners gain access to simple tasks and education, professionals enjoy reduced fees, and VIP clients receive maximum privileges and exclusive campaigns. We recommend reviewing the program terms and trying its features to enhance your trading performance. Subscribe to the Traders Union channel to learn more about other brokers and choose the best trading conditions. See you in the next videos.